Food and nutrition trends evolve in response to shifting consumer preferences, technological innovations, and global challenges. Here's a roadmap of key food and nutrition trends and predictions as we approach 2025. 1. Personalized nutrition, DNA-based diets. Increased use of genetic testing to develop customized nutrition plans based on individuals' genetic profiles, microbiomes, and lifestyle factors. Wearable tech. Integration of health data from wearable devices, e.g., glucose monitors, fitness trackers, with diet recommendations for real-time feedback on nutrition choices. 2. Plant-based and alternative proteins. Growth of plant-based diets. Plant-based products, including plant-based meats and dairy, will continue to dominate as more consumers prioritize sustainability, animal welfare, and health. Cell-cultured meat, lab-grown or cultured meat, is expected to reach more mainstream markets by 2025, providing an alternative to traditional animal farming. Insect proteins. Insects as a protein source will gain traction as a sustainable, high-nutrient food option, especially in protein supplements and snack foods. 3. Sustainability and climate-friendly eating. Carbon labels. Consumers are demanding transparency around the environmental impact of their food choices. Products with carbon labeling that indicate their environmental footprint will become more common. Regenerative agriculture, practices that restore soil health, biodiversity, and carbon sequestration will become central to how brands source ingredients. Water-efficient crops, foods derived from crops that require less water, such as sorghum and pulses, will be promoted for their environmental benefits. 4. Functional foods and supplements. Immunity boosting. In the post-pandemic era, functional foods and supplements that support immune health, e.g., vitamin C, zinc, elderberry, will remain popular. Mental health foods. Consumers are looking for foods that promote cognitive function, reduce stress, and support mood. Expect ingredients like adaptogens, nootropics, and omega-3 fatty acids to be in demand. Gut health. Focus, probiotics, prebiotics, and postbiotics will continue to grow in popularity as more research highlights the link between gut health and overall wellness. 5. Tech-driven food production. AI and automation, artificial intelligence, and machine learning will revolutionize food production, from precision farming to optimizing food distribution, minimizing waste, and enhancing food safety. Vertical farming will expand, producing hyperlocal and fresh produce in urban areas using less land, water, and pesticides. 3D printed foods. This technology will continue to evolve, offering customizable food textures, nutrient profiles, and flavors. 6. Clean label and minimal processing. Natural ingredients. Consumers are leaning towards products with clean labels, minimal processing, and fewer artificial additives. Transparency in ingredient sourcing and manufacturing will become key for brand loyalty. Fermented and pickled foods. Fermentation will remain a growing trend, with products like kimchi, kombucha, and tempeh highlighted for their probiotic and health benefits. 7. Hybrid foods and cross-cultural fusion. Global flavors. As globalization continues, consumers are exploring diverse cross-cultural cuisines. Expect hybrid foods that blend traditional flavors with modern, health-forward ingredients. Street food-inspired products. Popular street food from around the world will influence ready-to-eat and frozen food markets. 8. Reduction of food waste. Upcycled ingredients. Brands will increasingly use upcycled ingredients made from food byproducts in packaged goods to reduce food waste. Waste-free stores. Zero-waste stores and packaging-free grocery shopping will expand as consumers prioritize eco-friendly purchasing options. 9. Plant-based dairy and dairy alternatives. Oats, peas, and beyond. Non-dairy milk alternatives, such as oat milk, pea protein milk, and others, will continue to diversify, often fortified with calcium and vitamin D, to compete with traditional dairy. Fermented plant-based dairy. Fermented versions of plant-based yogurts and cheeses will grow as alternatives to traditional dairy, focusing on flavor and probiotic benefits. 10. Low-carb, high-protein, and keto variations. Keto 2.0. While traditional keto diets may decline, modified versions like Keto Light or high-protein, low-carb plans will remain prevalent. Consumers will favor products that emphasize balanced, whole food sources of fats and proteins. These trends and predictions reflect the merging of technology, environmental sustainability, health optimization, and consumer demand for transparency and ethical food practices. The roadmap to 2025 will see accelerated innovation in these areas as industries adapt to new challenges and opportunities.